Hello there, welcome back to Solo MC Rider, and you guys are going to get a different types of vlog today. So let's get on the bike and talk about it. As you guys can see, I'm not using a DSLR, so let me tell you. All right, let's get on the bike. Alright guys, let's get going. Let's go for a ride and talk about today's video. Interesting concept. A motor vlogger doing unboxing of an iPhone. So that would be the title of the video, or maybe a different title, but this is going to be interesting. I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back again. Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, especially this video. So let me tell you what is it going to be. As you guys already probably know with the title of the video, what's on the way, what's coming. So as you guys know, I make my videos with iPhone and a GoPro. That's only cameras I have, is an iPhone and a GoPro. So all this time you have seen the videos that came out of my iPhone and the GoPro. Now the new iPhone just released, which is iPhone 13, and yes, you can see it right here. It's the same exact phone as last year, the same look at least, but just different colors. And the internal is fast, and the reason for getting it, it's the one thing sold me to this phone is the cinematic video and ProMotion display. So that are the two reasons I decided to go with this year's iPhone, plus the storage. Last year I had 256 GB. Since I make a lot of videos, I quickly ran out of space, and 256 wasn't enough for me. So I decided to go with 512 GB this year. They have 1 terabyte this year, so you can get a 1 terabyte iPhone, which is a lot of space, but the cost is almost $1,500. So I'm like, let's go with 512, plus I do have a iCloud storage. So iCloud storage gives me another 2 terabyte. So that's a pretty good amount of storage. Plus after I complete a video, I just keep the complete videos and delete the rest. So in this video I decided to make a unboxing video of an iPhone. That would be a little bit different type of content than everybody else may have. A motovlogger doing a iPhone content, iPhone review. So I'm not going to do a review video this time. This is just going to be unboxing impression, how it looks, and a few of the case that I have chose, and that's basically it. And show you guys a quick demo of the cinematic video, how it works. In another video, if you guys like it, let me know, comments below, if you want to see a full review. I don't think it's going to get rid of DSLR, I don't think at all, but very close. Plus ProRes video is coming soon with the software update soon, so I can't wait. So now let's, instead of talking, let's get to unboxing and first impression. Hope you guys enjoy. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you know, this is a motor vlog channel, and my channel you guys get to watch my motorcycle vlogs and DIY mods and contents. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. And you guys know what day is today? Today is iPhone day, guys. So you know what I mean by iPhone day. So here you go. There is my iPhone 13 Pro, not Pro Max, just the Pro. And I got the graphite version, so I'm going to unbox it today. Tech YouTuber, that was one of my dream thing. MKBHD took over that, so I became a motor vlogger. So now I'm going back to tech vlogger. So let's go ahead and get it started, guys. Hope you guys enjoy, like and subscribe. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. So this year's iPhone 13 Pro, they did not come with this plastic packaging that they usually come with. So this is just the box, and there is a pull tab right here. You just pull it, and then there's one at the bottom. You just pull them, and there you go. And that is it. Let's put this aside. Let's go ahead and open it up. Excited. Wow, look at this beauty. So I did not get the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I just got the Pro version because this year's they did not have any nothing different between the Pro Max and the Pro. It's exactly the same internal, the cameras and everything, except for the size of the phone. As you guys can see, I'm recording my video with my iPhone 12 Pro. So as you know that I do not use any professional cameras because iPhone is great for taking videos. So, and that's the whole point for me to get the iPhone 13 Pro. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's put this aside and see what comes inside the box. So in the box there is nothing much. There is no more power brick that it used to be. So you just have the USB-C cable and USB-C to Lightning and some Apple stickers and SIM tools, and that's basically it, which I'll never touch. So I still have my iPhone 12 Pro box as is in the box, just came out of the factory. And the cables, I don't really need that as well because I already have cables. So I'm just gonna put this box aside and let's look at the phone. Wow, this is nice. So I went with the graphite color this year because the blue that they have this year, what is called midnight blue or something, I don't know. I had the blue one before the 12 Pro, so I decided to go with the black or graphite one this time. Before I set it up, let me show you guys the case. So I should have one more phone supposed to be coming today, but something happened for my wife, the gold color one she chose, so we got two cases for them. So I decided to go with the what do you call the midnight black, the case, and the green color one, and they both looks good. So I'll try one, see which one looks better. So let's open this up too. So this one also has a pull tab, and that's basically it. There you go. Put this aside, and the case says nothing comes with it, so let's open this one too. Put this box aside. This two case, and here's the case, and they're supposed to be MagSafe, of course. So I'll try the black one first and see how it looks. It looks very good actually, very nice. And I do not use screen protector. I never had screen protector on any of my phones before, so I don't like using screen protector because I always keep my phone in a separate pocket than my keys and stuff, so it's pretty good. I never get scratched. So this year the camera bump is pretty significant. You can see it's pretty big. What you guys think? I do like the green case, which is I'm a Kawasaki guy. I have my green Kawasaki bike, and the green case looks pretty good to me. So I might use this one. I might be able to use it for a little bit, and then maybe use the midnight black one as well, or blue rather. All right. So I'll go ahead and set up the phone, and then I will come back and check out the cameras. That's the whole point of this video unboxing, is to check out the cameras. So finally the phone setup is all done. It took me about 1.5 hours to get everything transferred over to this phone. So I got everything back pretty much, and few of the apps are still loading, so it's going to take a while, but it's okay. The phone is very, very fluid. Finally Apple caught up with 120 hertz display. That's very nice and fluid. You can see like how that thing is moving. So let's put the brightness up. Yeah. So you can scrolling through things like that. It's crazy fast. So it's really good. Let's see. There you go. It's very nice and fluid. I mean, it's not gonna translate everything through the camera because you're watching at 60 frames per second anyway. So yeah, so I got the 512 GB version. Only reason I got this phone is because of the camera, so you guys can see the cinematic. This is why I got this camera. So I will transfer over to this camera very soon. Before I do that, I will show you. So I'm running on T-Mobile network. So I have the 5G network, but recently I got an update and it says 5G UC, which means ultra capacity. So it got so much faster. So let me show you guys a speed test on that. So let's see. Wow. Look at that speed, guys. It's crazy. So my Wi-Fi is so much slower than that. This is crazy. And I only have about 2 bars, sometimes 3 bars, but I never get full 4 bars here, but it's crazy fast. Alright, so now you guys can see. I will transition over to the cinematic video to my iPhone 13 Pro. So that's my setup. As you guys can see, I have been using this setup all this time to record video, and you can see right there how it's doing the portrait video. It's not the best, like cleanest looking, but it's pretty cool. But I just can't wait to test it out later, as you guys can see right now. So very nice. Focusing is pretty good. So now we are back. So unboxing is done. You guys probably saw the quick demo of how it's working, and you will see in my future videos, like I will start off with my iPhone and then continue with the GoPro. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching Solo MC Rider. I will see you guys on the next video. And enjoy your Saturday. Go out, ride, have a safe ride, and enjoy. All right, guys. Peace out.